Salamat sir. Ayan, so while playing, dumating yung aking order. Ayan guys. So galing Lazada naman order natin, and this is the Redmi Xiaomi. This is the phone, the Xiaomi Redmi. While playing. Okay. Ano? So tingnan natin. This is unboxing also. Galing Lazada. Okay, hindi ko buksan. So kung nakita nyo, galing pa to sa yung delivery guy, yung courier. And natin, yan, bababa. Timing kasi naglalaro ako, so ano ba to? Okay, so patatalo natin yan kasi unahin natin to. Timing na timing talaga. So another talo na naman, sayang yung size. Panalo sana pero unahin na natin to. And that's, so this is the Xiaomi, yan, Redmi 9A, 4,600 plus. Okay, so may siyang free na power bank, I think 10,000 mAh na power bank. So patalo natin yan, wala tayong magawa kasi manahin natin ito. Mayroon siyang konting, so I hope. So this is galing pa to kanina, order natin. So ayan, so I hope nandiyan yung cellphone sa loob kasi this is from Lazada. Yan, the Redmi 9A. So the phone, and then sa loob meron tayong ito, yung injector, then what type of micro USB yung kanilang charger, and then ganito talaga yung kanilang mga saksakan, parang Europe na pero mayroon naman tayong mga adapter. And dito sa loob, tingnan natin if so Redmi 9A 6.53 HD drop display. Let's turn this on. Ba't wala? Ayan. Okay guys, so it's successful, another successful na purchase online sa Lazada and the Xiaomi Redmi 9A. So walang problema tayo sa purchase natin, legit yung item. Look at that, this is plastic. Okay, so more on this one, more on the unboxing. Basically nag-unbox na tayo, and yan, so it turned on, so siya, power on siya, so walang problema. Okay, so in the next, siguro i-continue natin ito sa next na video for more of this one, the unboxing, and more of sort of a review of this product, the Redmi 9A. So Redmi 9A at 4,600, so plus shipping 4,800, and it only took me like 2 weeks after dumating siya. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So talk to you soon guys, see you around.